Okay, our dog that loves to tear through the haunt and test it out. We got just enough for you to tear through, so let's see how you like it. Probably not. I'm gonna go through. Come on, Stevie. Go get that one. Okay. Here's another thing that we like to do is hide from her in the haunt. Zippy! Zippy! Oh, there you are. Go get him. Go get him. Tear through the haunt. Tear through the haunt. Go get him. Oh, zoomies. Zoomies. Okay, what's she gonna get me? She gonna get me from there? Or she gonna get me from here? Zippy! Oh, I just saw her tear. Oh. I'm gonna get run over. She already knows how to use the rat. Oh, she's going. She's going to get you. You can hear her at me. Oh! How did you? Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. She scared the Jesus out of me. I haven't screamed like that in a while. She kept going through the rat door, so I was like, okay, I can hear her. Oh God, if only we could have this like as a haunt night, is try not to get tagged by the dog. Zippy. Oh, by the way, it gets so much worse when the haunt is fully done. Oh my Lord. Oh my Lord. Is she over there?
No.
You make me pee.
Okay, I need to get your throw up. I should have kept it on me.
Sweepy.
She gets the zooming when she goes to the haunt.
Yeah, because there she is. Oh, she's our best haunter for sure. Oh my God.
Oh, she's getting the daylights out of us.
We should do this on actor orientation night. Oh my God. Dog, you were the freaking best. Go, Grizzly Bee.